Happy holidays, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well and ready to wrap up 2024 to welcome the new year. I'm super excited today to talk about diamonds. It's the holidays, and I know some of you guys are thinking about treating yourselves or someone special with something sparkly. Now, I'm not a diamond expert, but I do like to claim that I have experience with these gorgeous stones due to years of purchasing them. As you can see, I'm wearing my everyday diamond necklace that I never take off. I have my 2-carat diamond engagement ring. This 7-stone is a 7 or 9. Yeah, the 7-stone engagement band that I like to wear on my index finger, and I also have this emerald 7-stone band on my middle finger. I've done a video in the past showcasing my jewelry collection, but the point of this video today is to talk about my thoughts between lab-grown diamond and natural earth diamonds. Now, if you were to ask me about 6 months ago what I thought about lab-grown diamonds, I would have told you that I would never wear a lab-grown diamond. But recently, I found myself to be more open, and I also found that society is starting to accept lab-grown diamonds as real diamonds as well. I have these 2 new pieces that I'm really excited to show you, but before I do that, I'm going to talk more about the differences between lab and natural earth diamonds. So what's the difference between lab and natural earth? Like the name says, lab diamonds are grown in the lab, while natural earth diamonds are created in the earth. The most popular question is whether or not you can tell the difference between lab and natural earth diamonds. And the answer is no, you cannot tell by the naked eye, but with very expensive professional machinery, you could tell the difference. Both diamonds have the exact same chemical composition, which is why they look exactly the same. They also feel the same, and they're just as strong. Now let's talk about the pros of lab-grown diamonds. 1, lab-grown is significantly cheaper than natural earth-grown diamonds. I walked into my local jewelry store the other day to look at a 2-carat oval ring, and the lab-grown one was approximately $3,000, while the natural earth-grown diamond was about $30,000. Huge difference. And we're talking about similar color, cut, and clarity. So the second reason why lab-grown might be better than natural earth-grown is because it's more ethical. With lab-grown, there won't be any concerns on how they are mined compared to natural earth diamonds. Now, what's better about natural versus lab? If we're talking about investment, natural will be better. The thing is that with lab, they can create a lot of them. At the end of the day, there is something very special about owning something that took millions of years to create. So obviously, since natural diamonds take millions of years to create, while lab-grown diamonds can be created really quickly, that makes natural earth diamonds a lot more rare. So to summarize, I feel like if you're looking for an investment piece, definitely go for the natural earth diamond. But if you're looking for something sparkly and pretty, and you want it to be durable and good quality, there's no harm in going for lab-grown diamonds. With that said, I want to talk about my 2 new lab-grown diamond pieces. I'm so excited to add this new gorgeous diamond clustered ring and this watch. Both of these are from Pascal, an online jewelry company that I recently discovered that carries lab diamond accessories. They carry all sorts of jewelry. They carry women's jewelry, men's jewelry, and by category, they have rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings. They even have cufflinks, bag charms, and lastly, they also have a huge selection of watches. Pascal is a California-based diamond brand, and their mission is to craft diamonds for the shiniest moments. So let's jump back to this gorgeous ring that I got. This is the Cluster Marquise diamond band. It has 6 stones, it has 3 round diamonds, and then 3 Marquise diamonds. I love how unique this ring looks. I've never seen anything like this, which is why I got it. I love how the band is very thin, and it also has this very gorgeous curve. Let me try to put it on my hand now so you can see how it looks. Is it focusing? Okay, there we go. Look how freaking gorgeous that is. I might actually keep it on this finger. Does it look crazy? Do I look like I have too many diamonds? Well, I do have 10 fingers, so if I have 4 diamond rings, I still have another 6 rings that I need to get in order to fill up all my fingers. And of course, I chose white gold because I like my white gold silver colored jewelry. Now moving on to the watch that I got. This is Pascal's timeless classic diamond watch. I just love how simple it looks, and it kind of looks like a it's inspired by a really popular watch, one that I already have. I chose the one with a silver dial because I just thought that would go with a lot of my outfits. Just looks very timeless, just like its name. This watch comes in two sizes, 31mm and 36. Here's a quick side-by-side of my current everyday watch and the new one that I got from Pascal. As you can see, the new one is a little bigger, but they both look quite similar. I'm still very new to lab-grown diamonds and I'm very curious on everyone else's thoughts on them. So please let me know in the comments below what you think about lab versus earth. And if you like what you saw in this video, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to check out my jewelry collection video that I filmed a few months ago. Feel free to also check out pascaldesign.com where I got my new beautiful ring and watch. I promise you that you won't be disappointed because they have the cutest designs for the best prices. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great holiday and I will see you next year. Bye! Mwah.